Hello and welcome to the world of digital marketing made simple. In this video, we talk about how digital marketing has changed over time and understanding the pillars that helped its growth. Digital marketing is using the internet and technology to tell people about things you want to sell or promote. It involves utilizing various online platforms like websites, search engines, social media, email, mobile apps, to reach and connect with the people who might be interested in what you have to offer. Before we go further, let's understand some important basics. Think of the pillars in the evolution of digital marketing like important pieces that have shaped how advertising works online. These include how technology has improved, how people use the internet, using data for better marketing, and the rise of social media. Better technology and how we use the internet have changed how ads work. Data helps marketers make smart choices. Social media has also changed how companies talk to people. Knowing about these pillars helps us understand how digital marketing has changed over time. We'll talk about each of these points in more detail in next slides, so you can understand them better. Exploring these will help you learn more about digital marketing. The 1990s marked a significant turning point in the history of the internet. Back then, the internet went from being used mostly by researchers to something anyone could use. In the early 1990s, internet service providers, ISPs, began to offer commercial internet services to individuals and businesses. By the middle of the 1990s, lots of people were getting interested in the internet, not just the tech geeks. This changed how we do things. People started getting news, information, and fun stuff like videos from the internet. It was a time of big change. A website is a bit like a digital home where people gather information and things to share with others on the internet. It's a place where you can read, look at pictures, watch videos, and learn about different stuff. Just like how a physical store has items to show and sell, a website has content to share and explore. In the 1990s, websites looked simple and were mostly made of text. They didn't have many pictures, colors, or fancy designs. Navigating them was like following a basic map, and you couldn't really interact with the content like you can today. Websites today are like vibrant digital hubs that offer engaging content, interactive features, and seamless access across devices. Websites today serve as online stores, information centers, and communication platforms, bringing people, businesses, and information together in a dynamic and user-friendly way. Email marketing is a way that businesses and organizations use emails to connect with people. It's a bit like sending letters, but in a digital form. They send you emails to share interesting news, tell you about their products or services, or just keep in touch. It's a direct way for them to talk to you through your email address. What are the benefits of email marketing? It provides direct communication to businesses. They can talk to you personally through your inbox. It's like getting a message just for you. You can hear about their new products, sales, or events directly from the company. It provides personal touch. Sometimes, emails are written with your name, making you feel special. You can read emails when you have time, making it easy to stay informed. Can customize content. They send you stuff you're interested in, based on what you like. Companies often send exclusive deals or discounts through email. It's easy to share. If you like something, you can forward the email to friends or family. It's cost-effective. It's cheaper for businesses than sending physical letters. It's measurable and environment-friendly. Businesses can see if you opened the email or clicked on links, helping them know what you like. It's better for the environment than paper letters. Next, we need to understand search engines. Think of search engines as giant digital libraries. When you have a question or want to learn about something, you type your question into a search engine like Google. The search engine then looks through its vast collection of websites to find the ones that match your question. It's like a super-fast librarian that helps you find the right books, websites, from a massive library, the internet. Search engines help you find what you need on the internet. When you have a website, you want it to show up on the first page of search results because that's where most people look. SEO is like putting up bright signs, decorating your shop nicely, and telling your friends to spread the word so that more people visit. In the online world, SEO is about making your website attractive to search engines. You use specific words, images, and make your site easy to navigate so that search engines like it. This way, when someone looks for something related to your website, it's more likely to show up in the search results, just like your shop becomes more visible on a busy street. SEO helps websites become more visible and easier to find on those search engines. What are the benefits of SEO? Improved website. SEO often improves your website's design and usability, making it easier for visitors, similar to arranging your shop for a great shopping experience. Better visibility. SEO makes your website more visible on search engines, like putting your shop on a busy street where lots of people pass by. Higher ranking. Good SEO can push your website higher up in search results, like having your shop on the first page of a shopping mall directory. More visitors. When your website ranks higher, more people visit, like having lots of customers come to your shop. SEO can attract people who are interested in what you offer, just like your shop drawing in people who like your products. Credibility. Ranking high shows your website is trustworthy, like having a popular shop that people trust and recommend. Cost-effective. SEO is often more affordable than other advertising methods, like having your shop get noticed without spending too much. Social media is like a big virtual gathering where people from all over the world meet and chat. It's like a huge party happening on the internet. Instead of talking face-to-face, you use your computer or phone to share pictures, videos, thoughts, and connect with others. Benefits of social media. Using social media is like having a bunch of cool perks. Stay connected, talk to friends and family no matter where they are. Share and discover. Share your adventures, achievements, memories, own art, thoughts, etc. Find out about new places, trends, and interesting things. Stay updated, follow famous people or topics to know what's happening. Make new pals, connect with people who like what you do. Business boost. For businesses, it's like having a shop everyone can visit. Share, learn and enjoy. Share important messages or causes you care about. Find funny videos and entertaining stuff. Join groups to learn and get advice. Mobile revolution. As a time when everyone started using super smart devices, like smartphones and tablets. These devices do much more than just calls, they're like mini computers you can carry everywhere. They changed how we live, work, and connect with each other. This ensured people can stay in touch with anyone, anywhere, anytime. Access knowledge, news, and info instantly. Use apps for games, shopping, learning, and more. Take pictures and videos wherever you are. Work anywhere, check emails, work on projects, and be productive on the go. Buy things online with a few taps. Find your way with maps and GPS. Stay connected on social media, no matter where you are. Watch movies, listen to music, or read books. Content marketing is a way of sharing interesting and useful information with people to attract their attention and build a connection. Instead of directly promoting a product or service, you provide valuable content, like articles, videos, or social media posts, that your target audience enjoys. The idea is that by providing helpful content, you create a positive impression and gain trust. When they need something related to what you offer, they're more likely to choose your brand because they already see you as a reliable source. It's like making friends with your audience by giving them something they like, and then they might become interested in what you have to offer. Data-driven marketing is about using information to make smart decisions. Instead of guessing what people like, you look at facts and numbers about their actions. This helps you offer things they really want and tell them about it in the best way. It's like using a map to find the right path instead of guessing which way to go. This way, you can make customers happier and help your business do better. Influencer marketing is when popular people on the internet talk about and recommend products or stuff to their followers. Companies team up with people who have a big following online, called influencers, who talk about products or services to their followers, like recommending a new game or showing off a fashion brand, etc. Because these internet famous folks are trusted and liked by many, their suggestions can make a lot of people interested in trying those things too. It's like a famous friend telling you about a cool new game or gadget. Artificial intelligence is like giving computers the ability to think and learn. It's like having a smart robot that can understand things, make decisions, and even improve itself over time. Automation is like getting a helpful assistant to do repetitive tasks for you. Instead of doing the same thing over and over, you teach a computer to do it. It's like having a magical hand that takes care of boring stuff, so you can focus on more important or interesting things. Together, AI and automation make technology really smart and efficient, saving time and making things work smoothly. Voice search is when you talk to your computer or phone to ask questions instead of typing. It's like having a chat with a smart friend who can find answers for you on the internet. You just say what you're looking for, and the computer listens and shows you the information you want. It's like magic talking to your device to get stuff done without using your hands. Video marketing is like making short movies to talk about something you want to share. It's like creating a fun advertisement that people can watch online. Videos help you get attention and tell your message in an interesting way. Visual storytelling is like using pictures and videos to tell a story without using lots of words. It's like showing a series of images that help people understand what's happening. Instead of reading a long story, you can use pictures to show feelings, ideas, and information. It's like watching a cartoon that tells a story without anyone talking. Visual storytelling makes stories more exciting and easy to remember. Privacy regulations in digital marketing are rules that companies and marketers must follow to protect people's personal information and ensure responsible online practices. These regulations aim to ensure that people's data is handled transparently, securely, and with their consent. They also provide mechanisms for individuals to manage their preferences and protect their online privacy. Adhering to these regulations is crucial for digital marketers to build trust and maintain ethical practices in their campaigns. Hope you found the video helpful. If you think this video could be useful to someone else, feel free to share it with them also. This video is the start of a series called Digital Marketing Made Simple, which is an effort by MyLoca to make digital marketing easy to understand. We're looking forward to having you with us in our upcoming videos.